It is literally 5:30 in the morning right now. Here we go. Now we're cruising down to Honda Fest. Here we go. Good morning to everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see my title, I'm headed to Honda Fest 2018. Now, I do not own a Honda. I have a Ford Taurus. I know, but my plan for my channel is to buy a Honda, but I'm not gonna tell you what kind of Honda I'm getting. But that is coming soon in my channel, so stay tuned. And if you want to see that, make sure you hit the subscribe button right now. But yeah, we're out here. I gotta check out some couple Hondas, you know, what looks good, and you know, we'll see how it goes. But I love Honda, she loves Honda. I love Honda because my grandpa in Japan, he loved his Honda Accord. He just took care of that car like it was his baby, literally it was. But you know, he passed away 2 years ago, so rip, you know, rest in peace my grandpa. You know, I always love him. But she over here also loves Honda because her cousins are in MotoGP race. Now, I don't know if you guys know what's MotoGP race, but MotoGP races are like Formula One for motorcycles. So both of their cousins are in MotoGP race. Now, the younger brother, Alex Marquez, is in the group 2.
Al final iba rodando más rápido, sí.
Sí, contento.
And Marc Marquez, now he's big, he's really famous, and yeah, he's really good.
Yeah, today I'm really happy.
And he is sponsored by Honda, so that's why we both love, you know, that's why we, you know, both love Hondas. A black Type R. Got this Red Bull Civic over here. Pretty nice. Loop 1. If you guys know what this sticker stands for, leave the comments below. I already know the answer. I just wonder, you know, if people out there know what this sticker stands for. 4-door Civic SI. Integi. The Prelude over here. Got the Type R over here, another one. This is Championship White. From the front, there's actually a white one and a black one over here. It's 2K. This thing is Supercharged. I think I got this last time at the Springfest. Nice. Just two S2Ks. JD in front. Integi. The USD in front. Integi. CRV. None. Civic hatch. EK hatch. Integi. Ford Integi. Another EK hatch. EK hatch with a Midori green. Really love the Midori green. These are hard to find. Oh, Racer wing. RS6 over here. Integi. First one Integi. RS6. Man, I love the RS6. Beautiful S2K. AG wheels on it. This looks like a matte red, but I'm not quite sure. But this looks really nice. I love these SI too, the 4-door. It's 2K. EG hatch. Oh, one clean Accord. Civic. We got two green Civic over here. Let's check this one here. Nice and tough. Got the first gen Civic over here. This thing is beautiful. What a small engine that is, huh? Other Civic SI, RS6. I love RS6. 20 bronze Civic. Piggy. Oh yeah. Another Integi with the hatch. Another RSX. Another one. And Integi. Right-handed drive. I don't know if you guys can see it. This is Type R. It's beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. USD. S2K. S2K over here, 2 of them. EK hatch. Oh, that's S2K. S2K. RSX. Civic. S2K. EK hatch. Beautiful RSX. Nice red. Honda Odyssey. Nice. Pikachu in the Carnegie. Nice. Integra. JDM front bumper. K-Series in it. Supercharged. Wow. Turbo Civic over here. It's right down there. Not bad. Civic Easy hatch. Civic. RSX? Civic. Of course, there's lots of Civic. Nice. It's 2000. It's 2000. NSX. So beautiful. Civic. Another Accord. Beautifully tucked. Civic with the big wing gang. TSX. Our Accord. Look at this Civic. 3s. EP3. Civic. Jay's Racing. I'm more like a spoon guy, but I mean Jay's Racing's good. EK hatch. Another EK hatch. Jay's Racing again. And another Jay's Racing. Yeah, this is actually really nice. I like this one a lot. But I like spoon more, I feel like. Honda. Dude, a spoon racing, yes. I love spoon. But Jay's Racing? What? Spoon in the Jay's, bro? EG hatch over here. What's going on here, huh? 320. Very beautiful. EG over here. It's an EG coupe. Man, that's a little freaking nice. What, a D-Series? What? I think I know who this guy is. Redline Racer? Ah. Oh, Civic. Civic. RSX. Civic. RSX. Civic aside says it's okay. It's okay what? What's okay? I don't know. Oh yeah, this guy knows. Okay, good. Yep. Well, sticker to this answer is from the Kanjo group in Japan. They race around in a highway, and the Kanjo freeway just goes around in loop. So that's why they call it Loop 1, you know? It's pretty cool. Alright, I'd like to end my vlog here today because it is raining outside. It's just pouring rain and the wind is just crazy. Probably one of the worst car show that I ever attended to. Because of the rain and it's just really small and just there's not that many people. I mean, it's nothing against, you know, Honda Fest, but you know, it's just the weather, just the time and place that wasn't, you know, that great. But you know, I still enjoyed it. Yeah, sure, I did. But you know, we gotta go because you know her cousin is racing today, actually, down in Argentina. So we gotta support support them, watching. So we gotta keep going here. But other than that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel. Other than that, peace out and stay thirsty, my friends.
That's what she said.